In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent paragraphs in Google Docs and customize your indents with the ruler feature. Whether you're working on an academic paper, writing a report, or just jazzing up your personal documents, understanding how to control paragraph indents can really help in presenting your content neatly and professionally. So let's dive right in, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First things first, you need to open Google Docs. You can head over to docs.google.com and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll want to select the specific document you want to work on. Just find your document in the list or create a new one if you need to and click on it to open. Next, to indent a paragraph, place your cursor at the beginning of the paragraph you want to indent and simply press the Tab key on your keyboard. This method is quick and gives a basic first line indent, which is the most common kind. It's ideal for things like essays where you want to indent the first line of each paragraph. For more customized indentation, we'll take things up a notch by using the ruler. In your Google Docs menu bar, click on View and make sure that Show Ruler is checked. This will display the ruler at the top of your document. If it's your first time doing this, you'll see the ruler appear as a simple line with numbers across the top of your document window. It's a powerful tool for setting exact indentations. You'll notice two small blue icons on the left side of the ruler, a little triangle at the bottom which controls the left indent for the entire paragraph, and a small rectangle at the top for the first line indent. To adjust the left indent for a paragraph, click and hold that triangle and drag it to the right. This moves the entire paragraph over. You can do the same with the top rectangle to adjust just the first line of your paragraph, giving you more control over how your text is aligned. Similarly, you might need to adjust the right indent. You'll see a little triangle on the right side of the ruler. Click and drag it to increase or decrease the space from the right margin. This is especially handy if you're trying to fit your text within certain margins or need custom spacing. If you have multiple paragraphs or an entire document that you want to adjust, click and drag over all the text you want to change. This highlights your text. Then you can adjust the left and right indent markers as before, and it will apply those changes to all of the selected text. This way, you can achieve a uniform indent style across your whole document without having to adjust each paragraph individually. Customizing indents can help you refine the layout of your document and ensure that it has a clean, professional appearance. I hope you found this guide helpful as you delve deeper into document editing in Google Docs.